Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make orange chicken. This is a well requested recipe after watching my spicy mango chicken. I'll put the link in my description box below so you can check it out. This is such a great recipe that goes along with the rice or by itself. If you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now. I have 2 videos every week so you don't miss out any upcoming recipes. Now let's make this crispy orange chicken. To make this chicken, I have 2.5 pounds of chicken breast. I cut into cubes. You can use chicken breast or chicken thighs, up to you. I also have 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour and 1 cup of corn starch, salt as needed, pepper as per your taste, 2 eggs at room temperature. Here I have a bowl. To this I'm going to add 2 eggs and then I'm going to just whisk it, and then now I'll put it aside. Now I'm going to add all the dry ingredients in a bowl or a plate. Corn flour, all-purpose flour, salt and pepper. You can adjust the salt and pepper as per your taste. Now just go ahead and mix it. Once that is mixed, we are going to add the chicken pieces to the wet ingredient and then to the dry ingredient. Now coat all your chicken pieces the way I'm doing it here. As you coat, just squeeze it gently so that all the flour mixture is well coated with the chicken. That's what gives the crispiness when we fry the chicken. I'll go ahead and do this with the rest of the chicken pieces. I'm also preheating my oil already, medium-high heat. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to add the chicken pieces as much as it can fit in. Do not overcrowd them because then it will not be crispy. It will start steaming away. Now I'm also lined the plate with a paper towel to drain excess oil. As you can see, it looks nice, brown and crispy. I'm going to drain them in the paper towel and let's check how it looks. It's definitely crispy outside and its chicken is cooked perfectly. Now this is the most important part of this recipe, the sauce. I have 1/2 teaspoon of orange zest, 1/3 cup of brown sugar to get the nice caramelization. I have 2 tablespoons rice vinegar. If you can't find rice vinegar, use regular vinegar. 1 cup of orange juice freshly squeezed, and I have 1 tablespoon of each ginger and garlic minced. I have 1 tablespoon of cornstarch that is mixed with water, 2 tablespoons of water to make a slurry to thicken our sauce, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, light soy sauce, and 1/2 teaspoon of chili flakes. You can add more or less depending upon your spice level. Now in a pan, I'm adding 1 tablespoon oil. To that I'm going to add ginger garlic, minced ginger garlic that we have, and saute this for a couple seconds until the raw aroma leaves. Once that is done, to this we are going to add all the liquids: orange juice, vinegar, soy sauce, brown sugar, and red chili flakes. Now give it a quick stir so that all the mixture can combine together well, and cook for like around 3 minutes. Once you see the boils around, this is the time you're going to add the cornstarch. Now the corn slurry would have settled down, the corn flour would have settled down, so just make sure you mix them well and then you add it. Now just combine them and cook them for another 5 minutes in a medium heat until the sauce thickens up and the amount of sauce that you would like to have for your chicken and your rice. For me, I like to have extra sauce so that I can use it for my chicken and for my rice, so that I don't have to worry about my white rice doesn't have any sauce in it or it's dry. Now the sauce looks quite right for me. To this I'm going to add chicken and also the orange zest. Now I'll go ahead and combine them until all chicken is well coated. Now it's totally up to you if you want to keep the sauce or you want to completely dry it out. It's totally up to you. As I said, for me, personally I like the sauce so that I have something to go along with my rice, and also I don't like too dry of an orange chicken. This orange chicken is so good. The flavors in your mouth is sweet, the tangy, sour. It's so good, so good. Now I'm going to add this in my rice, white rice. As you can see, there is not too much of a sauce, not less of a sauce. It's just right amount. This is the consistency I would prefer. It's totally up to you how you like to have. Some people prefer dry, some people prefer just like mine. Now to this I'm going to put in some white sesame seed and some green onions. I don't have a green onion, so I'm not using them, but if you have it, go ahead and do it. It's just great color. I hope you enjoy watching this recipe, and do try and let me know how it turns out. And if you like my channel, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel right below, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care guys. Bye.